Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change opacity of the video in CapCut PC. So first things first, you want to go ahead and drag a video on the timeline. And now, for example, you want to go ahead and add an overlay right there. And for example, let's change the size to a bigger one. And now, as you cannot see the first video, you want to go ahead and change the opacity. So all you have to do is go ahead on the video right there at the top. Then you will see transform and so on and so forth. What you want to go ahead and do is click on blend. You can also choose a mode of a blend, but basically the opacity changes right here. And that's basically it. You can go ahead and change it with arrows if you wanted to, and also change a mode. For example, brighten it and so on and so forth, and change the size of it. If this video was useful, please subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Bye.